Lovely fans, grandpapa ex-wife wey they call Chantel, this woman is ready to expose all the secrets of grandpapa. Do you know that Chantel talk and reach like that? Say this time around is the time for grandpapa to be exposed. She says she's very happy for what is going on, not because say Regina Daniel and her husband say they get quarrel. She no wish anybody make their marriage scatter. But she is happy because God want to vindicate her. He said God has finally exposed that wicked man. Chantel say wetin she go through. She say she sit down. He said there is no time when she go remember those things when she know they cry. He said Regina Daniel is very lucky. People came out for her. She said who came out for her? Nobody. They treated her the way they want. They used her, they dump her. She said her church and she for go free. She said every day now she dey tell God, say, vindicate me. He said this one way grandpapa dey, so he said no go see it. He said that man is a wicked man. He said all the wife when they marry, he said all of them are virgin till they marry them. He said if you not be virgin, grandpapa not they marry. Because they go for small children. He said grandpapa they date other women. They date. But those women are just for fun. When he want remarry a virgin, now they go. He said, oh, any woman where grandpapa call a wife, he said na grandpapa this virgin there. He said because that virginity na exchange for something for grandpapa. Wonder shall never end. Chantel say people they ask and say, as you just fine rich, you just beautiful rich, how did you end up with grandpapa? How you can't follow this grandpapa when it be like gorilili? Now Chantel tell them say, waiting they don't know. Now many pass, waiting they say they know. Say grandpapa, that man, his heart is wicked. Hey. Chantel talk story. Chantel say that man is wicked. Chantel also confirm and say, this man, if he meet you as a minor, as all these small children, he go promise they say he won't help them for their education, for something or something. The man, they promise them something. I will help you in your education. I will give you scholarship. I will train you. I will take you to Europe if you want to study in Europe. He said, I'm waiting the man till they cash a victim. When the man don't promise this thing, the person go come dey happy. Grandpapa go promise them say he won't carry they go Europe, he won't carry they go study. Then when grandpapa promise all this promise finish, the person go come get interest for grandpapa. Grandpapa go say make it come and see me in my office, come and see me in my office. And I will be preparing the paper and everything. He said during that time, now grandpapa till they sleep with them. Now grandpapa till they sleep with them. If he sleep with them, that sleep, if they sleep with them to know if they be virgin, true. The one will be virgin, he will marry. The one will not be virgin, he will leave her for them. So before they marry them, he sleep with all of them. Not be saying he marry them, he can't sleep with them. No. They sleep with them before they use them do the marriage. To know if they are virgin. Because that virginity, it means a lot to him. So Chantel say, that promise of I will give you better future, they deceive, they enter a trap. When they will come go there now, grandpapa will come take advantage of them. And that advantage where they take of them, so once he don't sleep with any of them, the love where for they come, they know. Grandpapa ex-wife say once grandpapa climbed on top of them, he say he don't finish. He said the kind love when he go they blow for her. He said the way they go tell love grandpapa, he said it's shocking. He said she then, like, he can worship the ground where grandpapa they walk. In they look grandpapa like a god who do good, they respect her. He said, wait till Regina Daniel do so. He said none of the way not do amo. He said none of grandpapa wife will not do am. He say in short, now only Regina Daniel. Now they see say even they challenge grandpapa. Now only Regina Daniel they see say they even they do some kind things. Grandpapa go tell her and go say I beg, he won't do one. He said see all of them. He say even go reach that Laila we did it. He say none of them they feel challenge grandpapa. Oh. None of them they feel look grandpapa for eye when he talk. He said but now only Regina Daniel now he subdue that man. Hey, wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, not be smart, you know. Chantel talk a lot of things. According to Chantel say, when this man don't do them, cause he say they be virgin, now he go even go ahead to do the marriage. According to Chantel say, all of them wey dey there, he say no one dey with their clear eyes. Chantel say na charm, na grandpapa say they hold them. He say no one be natural love. Chantel say Regina Daniel eye clear. He said the reason wey make Regina Daniel eye clear, that sham not hold Regina Daniel tight the way it hold the rest wife. Laila now cannot raise his face talk when grandpapa they talk. If you now go look the video of Laila and grandpapa, you now go see and the woman they always they put her down, go just quiet, go just day one kind. They said that so all grandpapa wife be if the man they talk, all of them they shake. They said the old wives of grandpapa, all of them they fear when grandpapa they talk. The only person where even they challenge grandpapa na Regina Daniel. Now he make the charm where they use for Regina Daniel no work. Not be me talker or na Chantel talker. Chantel say na charm. Chantel say just look as she just find reach head to toe. Ah, he don't born for year oh. Make we imagine when she never born, because when woman born, beauty go, shape go, body go change. He say make them look am head to toe as she just find reach. How she go take tell this kind old man, even if the man get money? She was a young girl. What's so special about money to her? We go make her say, oh, I want to marry him. He said this man, I they talk marriage into their head. Just marry so that you not go and do a shower. After the man done this flower, then the man call they tell they say, oh yeah, may they come marry her. May they come marry and say, if not, they go end up, they do ashy. He say, and not be ordinary hand. Chantel say, not be ordinary hand. He say, as all the wife when grandpapa marry, make una see beautiful women. He say, all these beautiful women when grandpapa marry. He say, even if grandpapa na billionaire, we dey on top of billionaire. He say, all these women, he say, no be billionaire, na grandpapa they marry them. He say, they are all under grandpapa charm. She say, she herself na the same thing. He say, the day when, he say, when grandpapa marry her, he say, his family, they cry. This kind beautiful daughter. How? He say, her family, they cry. You no come see another man. She say, she know the year with his family, they talk. He say, if you no marry grandpapa, he go buy. Every woman will come in life. And she, they use that thing against them. She say, when her family call, they talk, say, we tell our daughter not to marry you. Say, grandpapa tell they say, your daughter was willingly to marry me. He no force your daughter. Your daughter now they cry for her. Say, you won't marry her. So, Chantel say, after this man, don't use charm on the finish. Now, them go they cry, they follow the man. Say, if the man not married, they not go fit. Hey, wonder shall never end. Chantel say, nothing be ordinary. He say, see all the wife. See beautiful women. When grandpapa carry all of the people for his house. He say, no be ordinary hand. He say, grandpapa, they use charm. Charm, now grandpapa, they use for all of them. He say, Regina Daniel will expire. He say, Regina Daniel own. He say, he expire. Now he make Regina Daniel eye clear. He say, for Regina Daniel to say, I don't love you again. Chantel say, many people know they notice what they happen. He say, Regina Daniel continue saying, I don't love you again, I don't love you again. The girl was never in love. It was charm. He said, grandpapa, they use charm on them. He said, the day when their eyes, they clear, when they go say they won't go, he said, this man will still go renew it in. They will go back to square one. They will go back to square one. Start all over again. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Chantel say Regina Daniel say na clear. Now Regina Daniel eye clear. He say make they not force Regina Daniel go there. He say make they not force her. He said no matter wetin people talk, he say Regina Daniel no go again. Unless say Regina Daniel mistakenly go see grandpapa. Grandpapa go blow that thing for Regina Daniel face. Regina Daniel na go use her leg to run go back. He say if not, he say Regina Daniel cannot go back. He say it's not love. He say Regina Daniel fall in love. He say that love where people they talk so. He say Regina Daniel truly she fall in love with grandpapa. He said but it was not natural. He said the same situation where she go through. He said the love is not natural. He said that charm, now grandpapa they marry all these beautiful women. All of them. He said none of grandpapa's wife when he ugly. No one. All of them fine. All of them fine. He said not be ordinary eye. Not be ordinary aunt. Now grandpapa till they marry them. The moment he see the one way he like, he sleep with that one, say a virgin. The next thing go turn our eye. That one go say if he not marry grandpapa now, do and buy. They'll come love the man. They'll be worshipping the ground where he walk on. He said that he not work like that for Regina Daniel head. He said not work like that. He said Regina Daniel now be the only wife where they challenge grandpapa. He said the rest wife not the feed they talk. He said if grandpapa say sit down, they go sit down. He said but Regina Daniel, that girl head too strong. He said and they say Regina Daniel now he still want destroy grandpapa. The same Regina Daniel now, if Regina Daniel do not go back to grandpapa, make them do the spiritual rehab where they want to do for her, that will be the downfall of grandpapa. Now they say now they say everything they go bad for this man. Waiting they just need now make Regina Daniel go back to grandpapa, make they carry and put for spiritual rehab. Once they put Regina Daniel for spiritual rehab, everything will balance back for grandpapa. You see this social media, everything will just buy come for grant. So my lovely fans, Chantel, grandpapa ex-wife, say make una leave Regina Daniel alone. Make una know the advisor. Say make go back to grandpapa. Say the girl never ever loved grandpapa. Say na charm na grandpapa use. Say grandpapa they use charm on all his wife. Say na charm he say they married them. He say make they know they drag Regina Daniel. Say she's not a virgin. He say marry a virgin. Say Regina Daniel a virgin. He say no woman wey grandpapa they marry will not be virgin. He they sleep with them before he married them. Now DNA not tell una the truth. In they sleep with them, once he knows say na virgin, na he be virgin, designing the person, then he go marry them. If that person still be, if that person not be virgin, he still they know. Because according to Chantel, he say the man they use them for exchange of something. Best know to him. Say they use them for exchange of something. Chantel say grandpapa's secret they hand. He say that silent with the silent tongue. He say all the pains and sorrow we she go through because of grandpapa. Chantel say na I won't talk. He said then grandpapa call her Chris. He say if you just talk like that, don't say you don't take your medicine. Hey, go take medicine. Your brain don't see the touch. He said nobody cared to listen to her. She tried to explain to them what was happening inside grandpapa's house. He said nobody listening to her. He said but today, say as God gonna use grandpapa's favorite wife to disgrace her. Hey, he said Regina Daniel be grandpapa's favorite wife. He said Laila has never been grandpapa's favorite wife. He said when she even did there, grandpapa prefer her to Laila. He said Laila has never been the lucky one. Grandpapa always used Laila when he did against other wife because she like to do over Sabi. He said and so grandpapa used Laila against her. Laila was even testifying. She hold the thing. She did take her. Said he was testifying against her. But there was nobody to defend her, to stand for her. So, he said grandpapa's favorite wife, which is Regina Daniel. He said now Regina Daniel love pass. He said the same Regina Daniel now be the person who will expose all grandpapa's secret before her side. Chantel say it is time. It is time for Grandpapa to be exposed. He said this man to do. The woman said she went through hell. He said, say how she come be now. Say if you see her when she come out for there. I don't feel show her picture now. When she come out, leave Grandpapa. When she did talk, she did, oh, la, la. She said, he said na rehab, they say they won't go put down. He said they lock her for his house. They give her colopes injection for his house. He said, Regina Daniel, not go. Say if you go, he said na powder that will blow for your face. He said you will go back and fall in love again. Because none of his wife loved him. Now charm, now it's in a pin they down. They will love him by force. Wonder shall never end. Chantel say people they tell her, say as beautiful as you are. How did it even happen? Chantel say she herself, they ask herself. He say go sit down. Sometimes say they look Grandpapa. He say go shake his head. Say, how did she end up there? He say after this flower, after the Grandpapa naka, this virgin, say the next thing, she not dey okay with herself again. Now Grandpapa she can't see. She just did, she dey dream of Grandpapa. She can't love her over love. So those of una way they say, Regina Daniel remove belle, I can't be virgin. Now virgin the man they marry. Now his wife, see her. And she they talk am. Chantel say, if the woman is not a virgin, say Grandpa not they marry because now exchange. And none of his wife that he got married to before sleeping, in the test them. If the woman not be virgin, no girl you do rich, say no they marry. Say Grandpapa don't date many girls for inside the industry. All those Nollywood, Grandpapa don't date many of them. He says some of them, they don't even, he says some of them to born a problem, so not see husband. Some of them, their life frustrated. He said they have to do some kind of things for them to be free for the bondage of Grandpapa. He said those one are just dating, no. He said why Grandpapa not married them. He said many popular celebrity where Grandpapa dates. He said she was his wife. He said Grandpapa dated a lot of celebrity. Big one say they date, Grandpapa dates them. He said, but they pay the price. So no see husband, so no see pikin, so come for straight. Before they come realize, say, he get wetin they do them, before they go, they pray for their head. Hey, my people, to date a billionaire is not a day job. He said, why Grandpapa no marry all those ones? Why he not use them to get fame? He can never marry a woman that is not a virgin. It's a covenant. Chantel say he go inside Grandpapa house. Wait till her eyes see. He say I made the true Chris for her. Make she for not fit talk. He say if she dey talk, don't say shut up your mouth. You way the colo. Go take your medicine. He say the same thing and they won't do Regina Daniel. Because Regina Daniel know a lot of secrets. Now she near Grandpapa pass. He say if Regina Daniel, they try won't make people believe say she dey colo. So that the time when the girl go they talk, don't say shut up your mouth. Now crazy the water, you go take your medicine. Say now so they do one for years. Chantel say our God don't vindicate her. Say our God don't vindicate her. Say this is the beginning of the downfall of Grandpapa. Say this man is a wicked man. Very wicked. He said the man deal with her. Aye. Say the man deal with her mental health. She went crazy. Not like she went crazy. He said today look at her. Say na church now for free. Say all those spiritual rehab where Grandpapa they go put people. Say forget them. He said na church now for go set herself free. She have to go to church and not rehab. Wonder shall never end, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is Gossip Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Inshallah. Amen.